sometimes we have multiple values in a single column. For example, this data is unicorn data. Unicorn is basically the startups, the private companies whose valuation is greater than $1 billion. So each row represents each unicorn company like ByteDance and SpaceX and so on. And then here is the investors column that has top investors who have invested in each unicorn company. So as you can see here, for example, the first one, the ByteDance, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 investor names. And the second one has 3 investor names. But this makes it hard to answer questions like how many unicorns does each investor, like SoftBank, have invested? Or who are the top, let's say, like 10 investors based on number of unicorn companies? In such cases, we recommend you separate these values into rows. So you can do this from the column header menu, and under the separate, this time what you want to do is separate to rows. In this case, investor names are separated by comma. So you select this comma. This will open the separate to rows dialog. Then you don't need to do anything in this dialog. The column name is already selected. So all you need to do is just click run button. And what just happened is now each value in an investor column becomes its own row. For example, ByteDance had 4 investor values. So therefore we have 4 rows. And SpaceX had 3 values as investors. So now we have 3 rows. By having this data in this way, when you go to, for example, summary view and then check the investor columns, then quickly you can see top investor, in this case, Accel, which has 64 unicorns, and Andreessen Horowitz, in this case, 60 unicorns. So when you have multiple values in a single column, which happens a lot with survey data, multiple answers, by separating those values into multiple rows, then you can count those values very easily. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and bye.